hydraulic trainer basic, model number TLG001B. It consists of a double acting cylinder with two ports, a single acting cylinder, one port, and the piston, a pressure gauge, to measure the pressure, flow control valve which can be used to check the meter in and meter out experiments and also to control the flow of the liquid, one 4x3 way direction control valve with 3 ports with 3 positions, the first, the neutral and the third position, one 4x2 way direction control valve, 3 ports with the first condition and the second condition in the neutral state, one pressure line, the QRC, and one return line, along with the power pack with the tank capacity of almost 20 liters. Now we will see how to operate a double acting cylinder using a 4x3 way control valve. Firstly, connect the pressure line via an adapter to the power pack to the pressure relief valve. Then connect the return line again to the inlet of the power pack. Now connect using hose cables, connect the outlet of the pressure line to one of the inputs of 4x3 way direction control valve. Then connect output of 4x3 way directional control valve to one input port of the double acting cylinder. In similar way, connect the second port to the second port of double acting cylinder. Then connect the third port to the return line so the pressure can be released. Accordingly, the connections are provided in the manual. After making proper connections, now press the on switch. Now you could hear the sound of the motor. Now the motor is running and we have set the pressure to 10 kg per centimeter square. This pressure can also be adjusted using this pressure relief valve. Here we have preset it to 10. Now since we have been using the 4x3 way directional control valve, now we will see its effect on the piston. Now it is in first position, it's in neutral position. Now when I move it into the second position towards the left, we could see the piston is moving outward. And when I release the knob, now it is again in a neutral position and hence no movement takes place. When this switch is moved in its third position, the piston moves back. Now when I have left the switch, it is in mid position. Again you could see there is no action on the piston. This is one of the characteristics of this 4x3 directional control valve. Now we will operate double acting cylinder using a 4 by 2-way direction control valve. Here the connection has been made as per the connections which we have previously made for 4 by 3-way directional control valve. The two output ports are given to the input ports of double acting cylinder. One line has gone to the return line to release the pressure, and one has been coming out from the pressure line. Make the connections as shown in the manual, and now switch on the kit. Now the motor is moving. Now here, since it's a 4 by 2-way direction control valve, here we have decided the initial position of piston to be inside. The piston is in its original position now. Now when we press the lever in the second position, we could see the movement of piston. The piston has moved out. As soon as we release this lever, it goes back into its second position, and you could see the piston moving back into its original position. These same positions can be interchanged. If we want the piston to be moving in the front, a forward position, we just need to interchange these two ports.